All right, coming to you live from Dell World with Ian Pilcher of Red Hat. Ian, how are you?
I'm doing very well, thank you.
Oh, great. So now you are involved with Openstack at Red Hat. Can you tell me a little bit about what you do?
Sure. So personally, I am a solution architect in Red Hat's Global Alliances organization. So we have global responsibility for significant ISV OEM partners, one of which is Dell. On the Openstack side, Red Hat and Dell have been working closely together, for basically the past year to take our successful partnership that we've had for going on about 15 years now of bringing enterprise class capabilities to open source software. What we've done so effectively in the Linux space, we're now working together to bring that into the OpenStack space. So bringing the type of enterprise class, lifecycle, supportability, reliability, scalability to the cloud space via OpenStack is our major focus right now.
Perfect. So what kind of use cases are you seeing for customers, the joint customers of Red Hat and Dell vis-a-vis OpenStack?
So what we're seeing is there's several of them. One is service providers. Cloud or ISP type providers, hosting providers are very interested in OpenStack. Anything related to big data and analytics is very popular. Dev and test are very popular. And then of course you've got sort of the classic next generation cloud applications where you have lots of different stateless components interacting so that those types of applications fit very well into a cloud environment where the failure of an individual component won't be a problem.
So, and speaking of applications, no tech podcast today would be complete without a mention of Docker. So what are you all doing with Docker?
So in the Docker space, we're doing a bunch of things. We have full support for running Docker containers in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7. We're just about to bring out what we're calling RHEL Atomic Host, basically a new variant of Red Hat Enterprise Linux, which will be a simplified build, essentially, with just the bits required to run Docker containers. On our OpenShift platform as a service product, the next generation of that product will also be gaining support for deploying Docker containers.
Cool. And so just to conclude with, what do you see in the next year in the sort of the OpenStack Dell Red Hat relationship? What things are you looking forward to?
So what we're going to be doing is continuing to enhance the capabilities of the joint solutions that we've brought to market, adding additional features, things like Trove database as a service, possibly the Sahara Savannah Analytics as a service, additional hardware platforms from the Dell point of view, 13G servers, for example, and then additional modular scaling options for the solution.
Awesome. Ian Pilcher, thank you so much.
Thank you.